Here's another great video discovered and brought to you by the Hall Law Office. For more information, please visit www.criminallitigator.com. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Here tonight, Andrea Hall from Fort Collins. Andrea. Sorry. She's a defense attorney up to Fort Collins. Worked with her a little bit. I want to invite her up. She can tell you about herself, and she's going to give us some words of advice on what she needs from an investigator.
Thank you, Jordan. Like Jordan said, I am a criminal defense attorney in Fort Collins, Colorado. My background is I have an undergrad in criminal justice and wanted to go to law school, and unfortunately I was told no on numerous occasions, and if any of you know me, no is not in my vocabulary. So I, needless to say, continued to apply, and I finally got into law school, and I called the dean actually at the law school and said, look, I've been in a serious horse riding accident. I'm not going to be able to go work for the FBI. Could you please tell me what I can do to get into law school? He said, well, we need to look over your application. I'll call you back in a few days. So he called me back 2 days later, and he basically said, well, we don't think you're going to make it. However, we'll take your money and you can come to school. I said, perfect. I'll see you in 2 weeks. So I packed my bags and went to law school and graduated like everybody else, not necessarily at the top of my class. However, I have a piece of paper that says I'm an attorney, so it's all good, right? So I moved to Colorado and looked for a job for 2 years. And unfortunately, most of the firms in Colorado are either really big or really small. And I knew the only thing I wanted to do was criminal defense. I loved to argue, I wanted to be in the courtroom, and my undergrad was in criminal justice. I loved the investigation part, and I actually was an investigator after I graduated from from undergrad while I was waiting to get into law school. So I knew that's what I wanted to do. Well, unfortunately, nobody would hire me just only wanting to do criminal defense. So, once again, hearing no, I opened my own law practice. Who the hell does that right out of law school? I was like, well, I got malpractice insurance, I'm good to go. So I opened my own law practice and have had my own firm for the last 5 years. I absolutely love what I do. It's never a day that I actually have to work. I do what I do, and I would actually do it for free, and I'm hoping someday that I can do it for free, and I don't actually have to depend on it for a paycheck. So that's a little bit about me. Feel free to ask me any questions that you're afraid to ask an attorney or that you're not sure about. I'm not offended by anything, believe me. And I will answer your question as honestly as I can.